Hello, and welcome to another Tie-Dye Tuesday. I'm your host, Jared Hunt, and today we'll be making a cat. So grab your sinew and your favorite shirt, and let's get started. Take your shirt that's been soaked overnight in soda ash, spun out in the washer, and hang dried till it is bone dry. Push one sleeve into the other. This will create a vertical line of symmetry while isolating the front from the back. Draw your image on with a washable marker. For the eyes, ears, and nose, we will push up from the back of the shirt, making a symmetrical line down the middle of each little image. We will pleat along the lines and then bind with sinew. Pleat along the pre-drawn line and bind. Fold the rest of the shirt in layers, then we will make sections with sinew. It is now time to dye. First we'll dye the eyes, then smush, then the nose and the ears and smush. And we dye the outline with black, we smush. Then finally we do the body in gray and one last smush. Now we'll dye each section of the rest of the shirt. And finally, apply black with a foam brush. As always, when you batch your pieces, make sure it's at least 70 degrees and you let them sit for at least 24 hours. That is the bare minimum. Personally, I do let my pieces all sit for at least 48 hours. Once the piece has batched, before I even open it, I throw everything in the washing machine for one cold cycle. Then I go ahead and start opening. Once that first wash cycle's done, you can go ahead and open your piece and then throw it back into the washing machine. That's one wash cycle on cold, and then you have 2 more on cold and then 1 on hot, for a total of 3 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle. If you want to use laundry detergent, you're more than welcome to, but it is not necessary. After washing, if you would like to keep the size the same, hang dry. If you need to shrink it, throw it in the dryer on high heat. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, drop a like. If you want to see more tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And for the sake of engagement, leave a comment for what design you want to see next or just to say hi. Finally, if you want to browse my inventory, you can check out my Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description. And once again, thank you all very, very much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week.